trying to clear it because I don't want him to get the first shot on me.
Pull back up.
I'm
So you guys
reloading,
pushing
reloading.
down?
Yes, push down. You need to get the shots on these guys. No damage. Ox, how long will you reload?
10 seconds.
I think I should rotate through one.
Yes. Ox, can you kill the 50B?
Yes,
There's
in 2
57.
seconds.
Okay. E5s, keep moving down towards the hold down
Track.
position.
Yes.
Ox.
Got him,
Kill?
got him.
Okay, kill him.
90, I get
Oh my
I
God,
got him.
Yeah, it's probably there 90 up here.
He's gonna... No, you got him.
About-
What do you want me to do?
Nice.
Push down as well,
I'm
push
moving
down
up,
as well.
I'm moving
Oh,
up.
E100,
I
E100.
got one shot.
You done?
There's 90.
I got him. Ox, you can go round.
Yes,
and
I'm
shoot him in
going.
the 50B might be coming towards us, Ox, be careful.
Yeah, I'm coming up. Just try not to see.
Load.
Nice.
I'll get a shot in one.
Hey, Ox,
50B's
go back.
coming in. 50B. I got 2 and 5. No, I don't.
Reload,
dude.
1, 2.
He shot 222. He can kill both of us.
I know,
I'm coming
but
up right
I'll try to do
behind
the
Let
right
me
damage.
try and bait. Okay,
Shot another one?
He can't kill me,
Got him.
Make him shoot
Shot
you.
90.
Nice.
Going on, he's fired 4 total. 5.
Hello. Good job, guys.
That was dumb.
Hold on.
Bomb
Okay,
secure
don't
shot.
TK, don't.
Oh, that was so dumb.